Hello, today we'll create another great sequence. Now it will be a sequence of counters. What these numbers will be for us? This 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you may guess, number 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is number of items in each subsequence, and we want to create this with ArrayFormula, and so it will be auto-populated, and we also will create named function out of this. And you won't believe, but that's very easy. Let's see how. Okay, I will use reduce for this because reduce can operate sequences, not sequences but arrays. So I will do arrays of arrays. Initial value is 0 in this case, and array or range to use is just our initial number. Okay, next I will use lambda of initial value and check if initial value equals 0. So this is our basic case. Initial value is 0 and value is 6. Then in this case I want to produce sequence out of value. So next I want to do something. What if false? What if false? If false, I want to produce something more. So first I will get my ini, so initial value will be included, so this is why I use these curly brackets, and then semicolon to put behind. So the next sequence out of v, the same sequence out of v, hit tab or click to autocomplete, will be after that, and close our parens and close our curly brackets. So now you see, I guess that's it. That's the whole function. Click enter and you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll paint them. I'll paint the whole column just to show you in more beautiful way. Let's add conditional formatting and let's add color scale here. Something like this will look fine, or we'll use more bright colors. Okay, done. So now we have this formula. If I change something, if it will be not 5 but 10, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 through 10 and 1 through 4. So now it works as a function. Great. Now it works as a function for us, so we can make it a named function. Control A, Control C, go to data menu, create named function, click here add new function, and definition will go here, Control V, and I want to change this B to B into our numbers. I'll call this numbers. Some numbers, just some numbers or some integers, you can call it as you wish. And also I will name it, I don't know, SQ for this, because it's like it's just a demo. I will kill this. SQ is already used. Okay, SQ1 maybe it will be like a cell. So SQ and this jar, yeah, underscore will be correct. Great. Now I have this SQ function, and I click SQ equals SQ, and wow, now I got these numbers. I can do it like this and it will get numerator, you see, because there is no numbers below. So but if I add a sequence here out of 4, then it will give me all numbers. Okay, now you see 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 is the end. And if I paint it the same, so you will see it paints and it works great. So I can also make SQ out of sequence. Let's play with that. It's just for fun. Let it be sequence out of, I don't know, 100 it's too much, let it be 25. Okay, and also we'll paint it with my formatting just to show you how it will look. 1 1 2 1 2 3 and so forth up to 25. That's it, and I hope you'll find it entertaining, and maybe you even find it useful for your cases. Thanks.